Let's learn how you can hide post from someone on Facebook. So let us start by opening our Facebook application. Now when you do that, you'll have to go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture and then scroll down until you find some of your posts. When you did that, you will have to click on these three dots that will open this menu with a lot of options. You want to click on this edit privacy option. And now it will appear who can see your post. You can choose a lot of options here. If you want to hide only from someone, you want to click on friends except that will say don't show to some friends. So click there and it will open a list of your friends. To hide it from someone, you will just have to click on their name, and once you selected enough of friends you want to hide post from, click on done and again. And now they can't see your post anymore. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.